Well, at ICT we have OT expertise in many different industry verticals, and what we see in all these industry verticals like automotive, high-tech, transport and logistics, they all need some form of digital transformation, and IoT is a very important piece of it. We have implemented quite a bit of IoT solutions in the past for our customers, but we particularly like in IoT.nxt is the fact that they have one single interoperable solution, one single ecosystem that connects with any device, giving a visibility into the complete chain, and that's very important for us and for our customers. So far, that's the only partner that's capable of doing that. And secondly, it's bidirectional, so which means that I can not only obtain data, get data from all the assets that I have, but also give instructions to those machines, and that's very important as well to us. Well, it's really inspiring to start with, because it's innovation all over the place, and every day there's new invention over here, and it's really people who really go for it, right? So and really intelligent people, highly skilled people in many different departments within IoT.nxt, and that's what makes them stand out. So it's innovation across the entire company, and everyone thinks that everything is possible, so they don't take no for an answer. So if you have a very special assignment to them, they don't say no, they pick it up and execute it. The way IoT.nxt approaches the market and the professionalism that they expose to us, so we were very excited about this partnership.